Hello, welcome. We have a new topic, the verb to be in Spanish. There are actually two verbs for to be in Spanish, ser and estar, and we will cover them in the next few lessons. These are very important lessons because these two verbs are the most frequently used verbs in Spanish. So you need to learn them because you'll be using them all the time, every day. So they're very important. So let's go ahead and get started with ser, the verb to be, ser. Okay. So how do you say I am? Now this is the present tense of the verb to be I am. Yo soy. I am. Yo soy. I am. Yo soy. I am. Yo soy. Remember that subject pronouns in Spanish are optional, especially in cases where there is only one form of the verb that goes with that subject pronoun. So most Spanish speakers will not say the yo unless it's for emphasis. So to say I am, we will simply say soy. I am, soy. The yo is understood. Okay, so we use the verb to be with adjectives. So let's take an adjective here, intelligent. Intelligent in Spanish is inteligente. Intelligent, inteligente. Stress on the gen. Inteligente, inteligente. Intelligent, inteligente, intelligent, inteligente. Okay, so if we want to put that all together to make a complete sentence, I am intelligent, you would say in Spanish, soy inteligente. Soy inteligente. I am intelligent. Soy inteligente. I am intelligent. Soy inteligente. I'm intelligent. Soy inteligente. Okay, so let's use this chart to review and add some new information. So the verb ser, if you conjugate it in the present tense, I am, yo soy. So it's important to know the uses of ser because we also have the verb estar, and they're not interchangeable. So we use ser to describe ourselves and others. Okay, so we use the adjectives for the description. So I could say yo soy inteligente. If I want to say I am kind or nice, I could say yo soy amable. So I'm using ser to describe myself. I can also say I'm likable or nice, which is simpático. And adjectives, most adjectives in Spanish have more than one form in the singular. So simpático, if I'm talking about myself, I'm male, I will say soy simpático. If you are describing yourself and you're female, then you will say yo soy simpática. So the form of the adjective depends on the gender of the speaker. Yo soy simpático for males. Yo soy simpática for females. Okay? And we'll learn more about that when we study adjectives coming up in future lessons. You can also use the verb ser to identify yourself. So if I want to say, if my name is Robert and I want to say I am Robert, I would say yo soy Roberto. If my name is Maria, I can say yo soy Maria. We also use the verb ser with the preposition de to express where we are from, either a country or a city or a place. So for example, here from Canada, if I want to say I'm from Canada, I would say yo soy de Canadá. Okay, so let's review. I am intelligent, yo soy inteligente. I am kind or nice, yo soy amable. I am likable, nice, yo soy simpático. For male speakers, for female speakers, yo soy simpática. I am Roberto, yo soy Roberto. I am Mary, yo soy Maria. I'm from Canada, yo soy de Canadá. All right, well, that's it for this lesson. To continue learning the verb ser and go to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. I'll see you soon. Te veo pronto.